Hello friends, welcome back to this series of Windows programming. And in the previous video, I showed you like how you can create a semaphore and what are the various rules for creating the semaphores, right? So if you have understood those rules, then you will not do any mistakes while creating and using those semaphores. So that was the basic understanding. And today what I will do, I will just do a simple exercise. I'm just going to create a semaphore with the maximum count 3 and none of the uh, semaphores are available initially, right? So I have already told you that this argument shows that how many maximum number of resources are available, and this argument shows you like what are the maximum available right now, right? So right now it's 0. Okay, so what will happen if I have made it 0? Then here I will just simply write one more statement like engl press any key to make resources available. Okay, so here I need to press a keys to make all the resources available. So once you will press any key, then all the 3 resources you can make available. Okay, so let's see, let's create one more program, and there also I need to write it, the same piece of code. So I have already opened another program, and here I'm just going to write like this code. And here in this code, what I will do, I will simply wait for it. The word dw is equal to wait for single object, and here I need to put like these semaphores at same, and I need to wait on this semaphore for infinitely. The concept is same for waiting. So if again I need to write like dw is equal to wait failed, or dw double equals wait abandoned, or dw double equals wait timeout. Then in that case what will happen, give me a break. Okay, so here I just need to print like cout wait on semaphore failed. So the wait is failing, so just return from here. There is no need to wait here, exit failure. Okay, so now once the wait is completed, then here again you can put like engl press any key to close this app. Okay, so simply it's like once it is done, then close handle and h semaphore. So that is again I have done. So this is the way you can work on this one. So let's see what will happen. So let me just compile it. I have just compiled it, and I will just open it in the various windows. Okay, suppose I just want to open it in various windows. So let me just first run this application, this one, the main application, which is making the resources available. So it is saying you that press any key to make resources available, and at the same time I just need to go to the other applications. Like this was the other application which will be waiting on the semaphores. Let me just go to the x60. Oh my god, when you mistakenly, by mistake, if you do something wrong, it will simply happen. Right, see how seamlessly this application has been opened. I just need to close it. Total seamless acts. Whenever you don't want something to happen, that thing will simply happen seamlessly. You cannot stop it. Okay, so let's move ahead. I just need to provide the location and I just need to run this. The name of the application is array example, so I just need to write like array example.exe. So one I have opened, I want to open the other one, cmd. I want to open three so that I can show you that how these semaphores are used. So this was the first one, this is the second one. Here also I'm just going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to run array example.exe. You can see that here it is also waiting. And the third one, again I will do something. So here again, what I will do, I will simply do this, and I will simply do like array example.exe. So you can see that there are three now, and all of them are waiting, right? All three are waiting. Even if you create fourth one, that will also be waiting, because it's waiting because that has not released yet. So let us just go here, and let me just press the key so that things becomes available. So you can see that press any key to close this app. You can see the other applications, they have also shown the message press any key to close this app. So which means that earlier there were three semaphores and all of them were not available. What I did, I simply pressed the key, enter key, then it has closed the semaphore handle, right? And sorry, it has before closing, it has just released the semaphores, three semaphores it has released, right? So once it released all the semaphores, all the three semaphores became available to these applications, right? Suppose if I make it like 2, okay, so if I make it 2, then let's see what happens. First let me just clear it, clrs cr, so cls, and this one cls, and let me just run the parent application. First close it, let me just run it, and now we are just releasing the two semaphores. So let's see what will happen in this case. First I need to just run these applications, three instances of the same application. So this one is the second one, sorry, array example.exe, and this one again array example.exe. So all three are running and they are waiting for this to make the resource available. But now this time we have made two resources available, right? So two of the waiting instances, they will show press any key to close this app, press any key to close the app, but one of them is still waiting. Why? Because we have only released two, the third one was not released. So you can see the power of semaphore, that how it can handle the requests which are queued up, how it can give the priority, how it can give the time slice, or you can say how it can schedule the other threads. It can allow the other threads to schedule themselves based on the resource availability, right? So you can see that it's very powerful, and it's very much useful for you. So you will see in your career, whenever you will create any of the applications that is using semaphores, then you will be able to see this power, use this power of the semaphores. Okay, so I hope you might have understood this. And suppose I just want to make like I made this one available. Let's see one more thing. I made one available in the beginning. So I have made one of the resources available in the beginning, and two of the resources, they will be made available later. Okay, so one is available, right? So what will happen, the other ones which are waiting, they will, one of them will be simply closed, the other one will also be closed. Why it is not closed? Because at this point of time only one was available, so one was done. Now third one, here we can come and simply see that these are the two which are not available. So that is why two of them are waiting. Once I will press any key, then the two will be available, and they will also get the time slice, and they will also be able to get all these done, right? So this is the way semaphores can be used, how you can make the resources available for other threads which are waiting on the semaphore. This is the way you can do this. So these are the basic concepts related to the semaphore. So I want you to revise it, I want you to prepare it yourself, I want to practice want you to practice it yourself. So that is it for today, and in the next video we will start writing that program that I mentioned you, like number of readers. If they want to read, they can simply read, and if the writer is there, then writer will not allow the contents to be read. So a full-fledged application we will create, right? So we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, have a nice day and bye bye.